class, you are welcome to choosing one tutorial center. This is a great avenue for you to understand the concept of mathematics and other related subjects. Today's topic is the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle can be derived based on the information given. And we have three conditions attached to this area of a triangle. And each condition has a different formula. So you have to take note. Number one, if three sides are given, then the area of a triangle can be solved by using Hero's formula. This is a triangle, and we name each side ABC. So this is Hero's formula. A is equal to square root of S into bracket S minus A into bracket S minus B into bracket S minus C, where A is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. And don't forget that this ABC, there are three sides of a triangle. Let's solve the examples given. Number one, find the area of a triangle with the following dimension. A is equal to 4 centimeter. A is 4 centimeter. B is equal to 5 centimeter. And C is equal to 3 centimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So we are going to have 4 plus 5 plus 3 over 2. 4 plus 5, that will be 9. 9 plus 3, that will be 12. 12 divided by 2, that will give us 6. And we are going to apply Hero's formula. Using Hero's formula, since the three sides of the triangles are given. Area is equal to square root S in bracket of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we are going to have, don't forget that our X is equal to 6 here. So we are going to have 6 in bracket of 6 minus the value of our A is 4. 6 minus the value of our B here is 5. Then 6 minus the value of our C here is 3. So we are going to have square root of 6. 6 minus 4, that's 2. 6 minus 5, that's 1. And 6 minus 3, that will give us 3. 6 times 2, that's 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 3 will give us 36. So the square root of 36, that will be 6 centimeter. And don't forget that the SI unit of area is centimeter squared. Let's solve question 2. Find the area of the triangle below. So from there, A is equal to 17 centimeter, B is equal to 41 centimeter, and C is equal to 48 centimeter. So our S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So we are going to have 17 centimeter plus 41 centimeter plus 48 centimeter over 2. Let's add the second digit first. 8 plus 1, that will be 9. 9 plus 7, that will give us 16. We keep 1. 4 plus 4, let's add the fourth digit, that will be 8. 8 plus 1, that's 9 plus 1, that will be 10 centimeter over 2. So we are going to have 53 centimeter. So area is equal to S in bracket of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area here we are going to have 53 in bracket of 53 minus the value of our A is 17. 53 minus the value of our B here is 41. Then 53 minus 48. So we are going to have square root of 53 in bracket of 53 minus 17. 53 minus 17, if you borrow 1 here, that will be 13 minus 7, that will be 6. It remains 4. 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So that means we have 36. 53 minus 41, that will give us 12. And 53 minus 48, that will give us 5. So we are going to have square root of, so we are going to multiply 53 by 36 by 12 by 5. And by the time we multiply, we are going to have 114,480. Then we are going to find the square root of 114,480, and the answer there will be 338.3 centimeter squared. So we are going to solve the third question. We are going to solve the third question. Number 3, find the third side of a triangle if its area is 24 centimeters squared. So the area here is 24 centimeters squared, and the other two sides are 13 centimeters. B is 15